Welcome to TWIN BUSCH Germany, your competent specialist since 1997 in professional vehicle workshop equipment. With a corporate headquarters in Germany and 10 other branches in 7 countries, as well as over 40 sales partners worldwide, we are one of the leading manufacturers of vehicle lifts, wheel balancers, and tire changers. Hello, we will now show you the clear floor heavy line 2-post lifts from TWIN BUSCH. The clear floor heavy line lifts have 2 hydraulic cylinders for powerful lifting and lowering. The lifting capacity is of 5,000 and 6,000 kilograms respectively. The lifts have a door protector on each post to prevent damages on the car doors. The motor cover protects the motor and reduces the noise level. A practical 230 volt socket and the anti-lift up button can be found directly on the control unit. All 4 lifting pads have thread protection and there are 4 extension adapters included in the delivery. The heavy line lifts have an extremely wide distance of 3.34 meters between the posts. Let's take a look at the lift in action. The lifting pads with thread protection and the extension adapters are included in the delivery. We offer special adapters for most lifting points according to the manufacturer's specifications. For example, the TW250AD3, which can be seen in this video. There is a holding bracket for 2 extension adapters on each post. Vehicles with long or short wheelbase can be lifted with the 3-stage telescopic lifting arms. The lifting arms of the TW250 and TW250 B4.5 can be extended from 0.89 to 1.8 meters. With the TW260 and TW260 B4.5 they can be extended from about 1 meter up to 2 meters. The lifting arms are locked automatically as the lift goes up. The automatic safety locking system protects the lift from accidental lowering. The TW260 B4.5 is unlocked automatically. The heavy line 2-post lifts are suited for the widest variety of vehicles. From small cars up to large vans or campers. By lowering the lift onto the safety locks, the lift is locked and the hydraulic system is relieved. By doing this, The lift can also be used as a parking lift for longer periods of time. Here we see the rubber door protector. The post-protective cover protects the hydraulic cylinder from sparks while welding or grinding. The lift has a second limit switch that is triggered as soon as a very tall vehicle reaches the contact bar. A practical 230 volt socket can be found on the side of the control unit. The anti-lift up button is positioned above the socket to lower the lift precisely without automatically lifting up before. Additionally, the main post can be equipped with a pneumatic connection with the optionally available air kit.